The Australian government has established a set of conditions for Australia PR that prospective migrants must follow in 2024, and understanding and fulfilling these requirements is crucial to the success of an application for permanent residence in Australia. Individuals who wish to work in Australia or who have work experience may be able to migrate based on their qualifications and skill set, which may be determined using the PR points calculator. The Department of Home Affairs requires a minimum score of 65 to determine an individual's eligibility. SkillSelect, a mechanism for you to notify the Department of Home Affairs that you are ready and willing to immigrate to Australia, is the central component of the Australian PR system. You can use SkillSelect to edit and submit an expression of interest for Australian migration, and the system will display your point total at the time of submission. Employers and the Australian government use this system to find candidates for Australia immigration. However, this does not prevent you from submitting an EOI in the absence of an Australian employer. In this video, we will highlight 4 facts you need to know about the Australia PR points system in 2024. 1. You can submit an expression of interest and get invited to apply. You can notify the Australian government or employers that you would welcome their consideration of your application for Australian immigration by sending them an expression of interest. Australian employers, state and territory governments can search your application and may request that you apply for a visa. Through it, you can also receive an invitation to apply for an independent skilled visa, which allows you to apply for a subclass 189 visa without requiring an employer. 2. Different visas have different pass marks. The Australia PR points score requirements fluctuate depending on the kind of visa you want to get. For instance, in order to be invited to apply for permanent residence, candidates must score at least 65 in the majority of Australian skilled visa subclasses and regionally selected temporary visas. To increase your chances of receiving a nomination or invitation to apply, you must earn a total of more than 65 points for the majority of these visas. A state or territory's need for your occupation might also be one of the other elements determining your nomination. 3. SkillSelect won't display your ranking. You are unable to view your application's ranking in relation to other candidates while using SkillSelect. The reason the system won't display this information is because other circumstances, such as when other EOIs are submitted and when they are withdrawn or changed, can affect your ranking. You can obtain information on the lowest scoring points that were still eligible for an invitation if you're worried about where you could be ranked. Following each round of invitations, the Australian government posts the results on the official Australian immigration website. 4. You can get assistance with your expression of interest. Just because you submitted an expression of interest does not mean you will be invited to apply for an Australian visa. It is also acceptable to look for legal counsel from a registered immigration consultant in order to increase the likelihood that you will get a favorable outcome. Checking your eligibility for Australia PR. Since the Australian government has a different system and set of rules for processing applications from outside Australia, it may be challenging to ascertain your exact eligibility before applying. Due to this reason, you might need to use an Australia PR points calculator to swiftly ascertain which Australian PR pathway is best for you. The Australian government's immigration policy is designed to prioritize immigrants with exceptional skills and technical abilities who can boost the Australian economy. The SkillSelect system, which awards points for factors including age and job experience, determines the qualifying requirements for skilled migrants to move to Australia. Please remember that the English language proficiency is a crucial prerequisite for Australia PR applicants because it's necessary for integration and efficient communication. With Australia inviting 190,000 new immigrants every program year, and with its streamlined application procedure, lowered immigration point requirements, and shorter processing times, there has never been a better moment to pursue your ambition of becoming a permanent resident of Australia. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!